Do you want a lock screen wallpaper with subtle animation on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Samsung built-in graphical wallpaper now include animated effects that make the lock screen feel more dynamic and alive. Let me show you how. First, tap and hold an empty area on your home screen. Then tap wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the wallpaper icon at the top left. Next, scroll down and open the graphical section. Here you will find several graphical wallpaper with different design and animation. For the example, the basketball court wallpaper include a bouncing basketball animation. The tennis court wallpaper has a bouncing tennis ball, while other wallpapers may use more subtle motion effect like gentle zooming or movement. Select the wallpaper you want. As the example, let's select the basketball court one. And then tap done to save the change. Now go to your lock screen. The wallpaper will include animated motion effect whenever the screen turned on. These wallpapers are great if you want a more modern lock screen, subtle motion without using videos, and a cleaner animated look compared to live wallpaper. And that's how you use animated graphical look screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.